How to view secret conversations in Messenger. If you are looking to have a secret conversation with someone without being caught, this video is for you. On your Messenger app, navigate to the friend that you want to have the secret conversations with. In this case, I'm going to select this one, Mubarick MD, and tap on it. As you currently see, this is a conversation that has been transpiring between these two contacts. So in this case, in order for us to have any secret conversation, I'll proceed to tap on the view profile. In order for me to have any secret conversation with this contact, I'll then proceed to the top right corner where I see this eye icon and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down a bit until you locate go to secret conversations and tap on it. So this is a conversation that is end-to-end encrypted. As you can rightly see, now I haven't had any conversation with this person. So I'll just proceed to tap on the message box and I can continue to tap any message that I want. In this case, I'll then proceed to tap on hi, then continue to tap on send. So with this message sent, as you can rightly see, this is a secret conversation that I'm having. That's it. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.